and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on. That is linked down below, and there are other things linked down below as well. With that being said, today I have for you BeautyFix. Now, I know that I just opened a BeautyFix, but I'm so confused. Maybe that was September's and it was just late. And then this is October's. That's the only thing I can think of. I just don't even know. So you get a little pamphlet. It does tell you what is on the inside, but they don't give prices. And I open it up and this is what I see. And the first thing I am pulling out is a shampooing Laboratories Chlorane. So, okay, so it's dry shampoo with oat milk. So that's interesting. Okay, moving on. The next thing I am pulling out is the Mio Tight Skin Body Serum. Ooh, that sounds fun. I will use that. So the Mio Skin Tightening Body Serum, retexturizing serum with natural botanicals to target sagging skin. I'm not mad at it. Okay, well, it's for the whole body. Now, I don't know how many uses I will get out of this for the whole body, but I'm excited to try it and see how it works. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. That's gotta be a full size. Dark circles and puffiness. Cool. 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Depuffs and diminishes dark circles with caffeine-rich green tea and coffee. Okay. I'm excited for that. That works. The next thing I am pulling out is fur oil. So this is for your nether regions, and it says it's for the hair, the skin, and more. Safe for your most sensitive areas and won't stain your silk. Specifically designated for the pubic area, just all the area. Our signature blend of lightweight oils gently softens hair and cleans pores for fewer ingrowns and healthier skin. For everywhere hair meets skin. Okay, that's fine. I mean, I will use it. I think that's interesting. I'm down. I'm always down. I'm just generally always down. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is Tula Skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. Okay, so I will just pass this along, throw it in a giveaway or whatnot. The next thing I am pulling out is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And I actually have this in a full size and I love it, so I will pass this along so somebody else can get good use out of it. And the next thing I am pulling out is Vino Perfect by Caudalie. And this is a radiant serum. Uses natural grapevine compounds to brighten and even skin tone. Okay, in my skin care routine, so I will just pass this along. And the last thing I am pulling out is is it Boschia? And it is a illuminizing black mask. And I actually have this. So I will just pass this along so someone else can get good use out of it. Okay, you guys, so that was BeautyFix. I'm assuming October? I don't know. I'm so lost with this. I think it's probably October. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Oh, and of course, I'll put the price of the box on the screen because I never remember. I'll put that toward the beginning. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.